Mindshifters. It's fall right now, and I don't have to cook dinner, which is good, and I still have a lot of other stuff to do today, but we're gonna make some donuts really quick, and I want to make some pumpkin spice donuts, I guess. So again, we're gonna attempt to have my son hold the camera over the bowl so you can see, so it's a little bit more easy, and I guess I'll put like the directions either in the description or in the video. So Mindshifters, it's rainy in the DMV, so we want some donuts. I think he wants me to make some keto chocolate milk. Maybe I'll show you guys that too, how to do that. Okay, come along. Okay, we are going to start off with the dry ingredients, and we're going to put 1 cup, 1.5 cups, oopsie, I forgot, so just
1.5 cups of what?
1.5 cups of almond flour. Okay. And we are going to put 2 cups of
Of what?
2 cups of gelatin powder.
Okay.
Did I put the almond powder in the
Yes, you just did.
Okay. 2 cups, 2 scoops. 2 scoops. Okay. Collagen. Cooking collagen. And then we're going to put 1/4 of a cup of swerve, granular swerve. We're going to put 1/4 a cup of that. Swerve. So, thank you for helping me. And we're going to put a little bit. I don't have the measurements, guys, for this, but it is what it is. A little bit of. Oh, sorry, dropped something.
Himalayan salt?
Yes,
Yeah,
thank you, son.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you can't just put stuff in the bowl.
2 teaspoons.
This one got into the...
2 teaspoons.
Stop, you're shaking too much.
A pumpkin spice. Oh. Oh, sorry. Pumpkin pie spice. And we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we also want, I'm missing something, son. What am I missing?
Check.
Oh!
What?
I gotta find it. And a little bit of xanthan gum.
What is it again? Louder?
Xanthan gum, this right here.
What is that used for?
It's like a thickener. It helps too when you're baking, so the consistency doesn't crumble, but it helps with sauces too. Oopsie, la la. Okay, yeah, so that was 1/4. Kind of fell. I wasn't paying attention. So right now I'm going to kind of mix that up.
Did you put some in there?
I did, but it seems like I missed a spoon. So they saw that.
You should probably put some in there.
I did put some in there, but I did put the 4th in there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just I didn't realize I kind of missed a spoon. So I'm just kind of mixing this mixture up, and then I am going to mix the liquid ingredients separately.
What is that?
So that's like the eggs and the butter, the vanilla extract, and and then I mix that. Okay.
All right.
And for the wet ingredients, we have 2 eggs. We have 1/4 of organic pumpkin. I should have just made a pumpkin. I should have made a pumpkin pie. Now that I think about it, I really should have.
That's fine.
Yeah, but I just. All right, and we want a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we want 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Yes, y'all know I don't have a microwave. It's one day at a time, sweet Jesus. All right, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Smells
good. It does smell good. So I am going to, I kind of want to add a little bit more sweetener. Okay. So we want to mix this up. You have a blender. Oh, I finished my mixture. I blended the, mixed
the ingredients.
Ingredients.
There's your
So this is the mixture. I'm going to pour it into the dry ingredients. And
mix it up.
I'm going to mix it up. I have a spatula too, but I'm just going to use the spoon because I'm lazy.
Okay, we'll be back.
Okay, so I finished pretty much stirring it all in. Stirring that all in, and I actually think the consistency is quite nice. Now, what you can do,
that smells super pumpkin-y.
You can actually put this in a Ziploc bag, and you can cut off the Ziploc bag and kind of make a little tube. You can do that. I don't know if I feel that motivated to do that, guys. I may just kind of spoon it in, but that's how you get like the perfect donut.
Not the raggedy.
Good job.
Nice stuff.
What do you think? You think I should do that?
You're not gonna do it. So let's just.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna take. You can actually use either you have some cooking spray. Come over here, sweetheart. You have some cooking spray. You can use your cooking spray to do this next part. But I think I ran out of cooking spray. I'm gonna put my little butter brush. Oh, there it is. All right. So you see this? I still got that butter that I melted. So I'm going to. Yeah, this is. I'm gonna do a video on all the Amazon products that I love, keto.
I'll put them like a list in your description and show everybody.
Oh, that's good too. That's perfect. I love this. I'm trying to like get rid of all of my aluminum baking pans, and sort of I love the silicone. Please don't tell me it gives you cancer. Well, tell me if that's true. Tell me if that's
silicone?
True. Yeah, but it's not. It's always like something wrong with everything. But anyway, so you just see me kind of trying to oil with the donuts, and I may be putting too much, but it'll be all right. I don't think you need that much, guys. Yeah, there you go. And I keep trying to figure out what type of icing I'm gonna make. It's either gonna be cream cheese or just a regular maple glaze or something.
Okay. So all the butter is.
I'm wondering, it was a unanimous decision. My son helped me. I just put it in a bag, just a regular Ziploc bag.
And squish it together. Put some more sweetener in there because it kind of tasted not as sweet as we wanted it to. And now she's going to cut a hole at the bottom and we're going to pour it into each one of these and then make our donuts. All right, so cut it there.
I think it needs to be wider, don't you?
That's fine.
Okay.
All right.
I want it to be wider. Yeah. Sorry, guys. It needs to be wider.
Just no, don't cut.
Yeah, I got it. So I'm just going to show you one, and then I'll come back when they're all done. It looks like something else, guys. Sorry, I had to say it.
All right, we'll come back.
So I don't think I made enough batter for 9.
The last 3, but we do have 5.
6.
Wait, no, 6, yeah.
So I'm going to pop these into the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes.
And let's see the results. We'll be back.
Okay, guys, I took the donuts out of the oven and I let them cool for a bit. And I made the glaze. I didn't have my help, so I just made it on my own. So I'll just show you what's in it. I'm recording, sweetie heart. So I literally just put about 3 tablespoons of granular swerve. I put a little bit of water, just a little bit. I put some sugar-free maple flavored syrup. And I put a little bit of cinnamon, just a teensy-weensy bit.
It smells so good.
It does smell good.
So you gotta bake it now?
So no, I just put that in the saucepan and let it just melt a little to kind of give it a glaze. So
they're done?
Oh yes, and just one more ingredient. I added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, MCT oil. Either one will do. And so I'm going to take the donuts out. Now, if you have a cooling rack for when you bake, that's what I need to get from the Dollar Tree or something. It's good to kind of let your baked goods cool on the cooling rack because it kind of can cool both.
Cool down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but I'm essentially, once I take them out, I'm going to take the donuts. I'm going to dip it in the glaze. I think I know this is bad. So you kind of want to dip it so it kind of covers the top evenly as possible. So we'll figure it out. But I was going to make a cream cheese, but you can do so much. You can maybe I'll do another recipe. Cream cheese. You can toast some walnuts or some pecans. I mean, you can really.
Right.
But this is a wonderful fall snack.
All right, let's check it out.
I want to show you at least one example. Some of this little bit of burnt butter got on this one, but you literally kind of take it. You can pour it, but I kind of like to dip it. And I may want to dip them on both sides.
Yeah, I'll do both sides for both.
Okay. There you go. You kind of let it cool. And we may pour a little bit more. Some of the...
No, I think it looks good.
Yeah, we may pour the rest of it on the other. Some of it broke off.
Yeah, let's just pour it.
Yeah, we'll pull the rest of it, but we just wanted to show you could dip it. So good. Okay.
All right.
That's good. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, he is don't look at the mess over there. He is tasting it. We got the glaze on there.
I feel like if it was colder, it stays together well. Alrighty. It's very good.
Show the consistency. I like it.
So it's almost because it's hot, it makes it feel like a cake almost, like a soft cake. But if next time we just let it cool down, I think it will get more like that donut taste where it's like kind of solid by itself, where it won't fall. But I think it's only falling apart because it's warm now.
We need to let it cool down more.
But regardless, I'm glad you made that sauce or
the glaze.
That makes it really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Some almond milk. This would be really good.
All right, keto for life.
Bye.
Bye.